Hello everybody, this is me again, and now I will explain one of the most important components of these virtual courses, which is the tutorial component. Okay, that component corresponds to 20% of this total course. So I want to start by telling you that the semester is divided in 12 sessions for single courses, okay, like level 7. In my case, I have a class in level 7 and 24 sessions to participate in dual courses like the one of 5-6. I also have a class in level 5-6. So you must make sure to participate minimum 12 times if you are in level 7 or 24 times throughout the semester in the corresponding dates. That's why I have created a PDF telling you the specific dates in which you have to participate. Let me show you. Here it is. If you go to your Brightspace account, you will see in the publications over here one that I shared with you on July the 21st, which is the timetable of study and evaluation. If you click on there, you will see that I told you like every specific date and week in which you have to participate for tutorial component. In this case, for level 7, next week, starting on Monday, you have to make sure to participate at least once every week. For the students who are in level 5, 6, sorry, you must make sure to participate twice, okay? In the next week, July the 26th till the 31st, you must make sure to participate twice, okay? Regarding tutorial component. So I just want to remind you that there is no service on holidays, okay? And keep track on your attendance. I mean, take a personal notebook or an agenda, well, tablet, whatever you want to do it with. Please make sure to keep track on your attendance, okay? Every time you participate, write it down in a notebook, okay? The date, the time, the teacher, etc. For this tutorial component, you have two basic options, okay? The first one is tutorships, and the second is speaking clubs. You have two options to participate one of those sessions that I called in the previous document here. When I say sessions, it's one of these, whether a tutorship or speaking club. So I will explain what a tutorship is, okay? Remember, tutorships must be done with your teacher, in this case with Mr. Chapeton, with me, all right? It's not necessary to make any appointment, don't you worry. You just have to get to the video chat room on time. We will use this semester, we will use Teams. I already created the event for every tutorship. Ah, teacher, when is your tutorship? Can you please let me know? Of course. Go to Brightspace and you will see that my latest publication was exactly the tutorship schedule, okay? This is for level 7. I will be available on Mondays at 7 p.m. and Thursdays at 7 p.m., okay? On the other hand, I have a class in 5-6 in which tutorship time it's also published over here. I will show you. It's on Mondays at 6 p.m., Wednesdays 6 p.m., Wednesdays 7 p.m., and Thursdays 6 p.m., okay? I also have a couple of speaking clubs, but well, I will let you know in a moment. Let's continue with the presentation. What is important for tutorships? That you come with questions and doubts about grammar, about the class components, about the book, about the project, well, about English. I don't know. You have to come here to the tutorships with many questions, okay? I will try to solve them all, okay? I'm sometimes I don't have the answer to all your questions, but I will make my best to try to solve all your questions and doubts, okay? That's the tutorships. Now, remember, the other option is speaking clubs. What is that? Well, speaking club is not necessarily done with your teacher, with Mr. Chaveton. No, don't you worry. You can also get help from any other teacher from the program. Okay, you have like I don't know, five, I think it's like 50 or 60 teachers at your service. Okay, something important is that it's absolutely necessary to make an appointment using a registration form minimum 2 days in advance. But I always recommend my students to do it 3 days, 4 days, 5 days in advance is much better. Okay, here is the link. I will show you that link in a second as well. In here, okay, you will find the different times in which the teachers are providing speaking clubs. Okay, if you are in basic level, well, you have to select these ones. If you are in intermediate level 4, 5, or 6, here is the time. Okay, and you just click over here and fill out the registration form. Okay, for example, in here you just fill out your email and your faculty, your name, and the session, of course, which is next week, and the level you're taking. Okay, 5, 6, or 7, and next. Okay, that's it. Let me continue with the presentation. You have to get to the video chat room on time. Some teachers will use Teams, some others will use Zoom, okay, as video chat rooms for attending these kind of speaking clubs. You have to use the video link that the teacher will send you in advance, okay? The teacher, after you get registered, the teacher will check on the registration format and will send you a link for you to get connected and join the session using Zoom or Teams, depending on the teacher's likes. And well, make sure to participate actively, because remember that objective of speaking clubs is to improve your speaking ability. Okay, it's not for you to answer questions about grammar, about no questions. In here, we will be talking about different topics, okay, that are probably calling your attention. Okay, so registration, talk actively, and be punctual. That's it. I hope you can make the best of these speaking clubs, or, as I told you, tutorship. So remember, you have to, for the ones who have to, make sure to participate only once every week in level 7. Level 7. So you just have to do one tutorship or one speaking club. Okay. For the ones who are in level 5, 6, you have to make sure to participate in two tutorships, two speaking clubs, or one tutorship and one speaking club. Okay, 2 sessions. Remember, you have to comply with 2 sessions. So that's why it is important to check this timetable that I share with you through Brightspace. Okay, if it says 2 sessions, it's because you have to participate in 2 speaking clubs, or 2 tutorships, or one tutorship and one speaking club. Okay. All right. See you in the next video. I will explain another component from this class. Bye-bye.